Hi guys, here's a quick open box review and quality test for FNIRSI battery tester BTM-24. I received this as an evaluation unit from the vendor FNIRSI, but I will share my independent honest opinion. There's 3 parts in this video: open box, firmware updates, and actual car battery test. Open box, let's put everything on the table. Here's the clamp and also the tester. Very straightforward, very strong clamp with copper inside. Good quality. Here's the carry-on case. It's flexible, but it's good enough to carry everything inside the packet. I really like it. It's about almost 6 inch long, 2 3/4 inch wide, and 1 inch thickness, about a 2 4/4 inch LED screen. One of the issue is, as long as you power it on with USB, it always give you alert because you haven't connected the battery. Let's check the current firmware is 1.1.2. That's the existing firmware. I'm going to show you the firmware update. Go to the vendor website and find the product, the battery tester, BTM-24, and download the firmware. Find the latest one, which is 1.2.2 version, and download the zip file to your local computer, and then unzip it. You can open the unzipped file. There's actually including 2 files. You all need it. And then just connect the battery tester, but you have to connect with actual battery, like 12 volts battery, so that can remove the alert. And now press and hold the down button and connect the USB data cable to your computer. It shows firmware update. Just single drag and drop download the driver to the USB key to the firmware BTM-24 and wait it on the file transfer. And now it's automatically done. You have to put those 12 volts battery again. Now you can check the new firmware is a 1.2.2 version. We just get it done. The third part is actually car test. We're going to do a few tests. The first one is static battery reading test. Just click the red icon, go to the battery, select the 12 volts battery, and the first one give you the basic reading about the CCE number of the battery voltage, and then I'm going to dive into the CCE mode to give you the code cracking ampage CCE. Luckily, I found my battery is almost died, is under 9%. It shows the red color on the battery. I really need to change it. I'm glad this one actually saved me. The second test is launch test or start test. As long as the engine starts, they can read the min-max voltage. For this case, my battery is fine. The max voltage is 14, min is higher than 10 volts. It's actually pretty good. It's past the start test. The third one is load test. For load test, you have to keep the engine on and click the confirm button. You can see the time history of the voltage as give you the reading. Both my min-max voltage is actually higher than 14 volts. Is actually fine. Make sure your RPM, keep the RPM as a 2000 RPM. And then the last but not least is the charging test. The charging test, you have to increase RPM to 2500 or 3000 range. You can read the time history. I mean, for this case, my both voltage are fine, which means this car, the battery life close to the end. In the cold temperature, the CCN is really low. But overall, it's still performance. I'm glad this battery test actually saved my car. I'm gonna change my battery this weekend. But overall, very good quality, very practical usage, very simple. I really like the portable cases. Honest with you, I'm gonna give a 5-star. You wanna keep this handy tool either in your garage or in the trunk of your cars. Thank you.